Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to shorten link in GoHighLevel SMS. If you're sending text messages to leads or customers, keeping links short and trackable is essential, especially when you're running high-volume SMS campaigns or follow-ups where clarity and speed matter. Short links help your messages stay within character limits, especially in SMS where every character counts, and make them look clean and professional, which can improve trust and click-through rates, especially when customers see a simple, branded-style link instead of a long, messy URL. And they also let you see who clicked, so you can measure results, optimize your campaigns, and understand what type of messaging actually drives engagement, like whether urgency-based messages outperform reminder-style texts. Start by logging into your GoHighLevel account and opening your main dashboard. Make sure you're in the correct location or workspace if you manage more than one, because trigger links are created inside a specific location. This is important because if you create the link in the wrong workspace, you won't be able to use it in the right campaigns or automations later, which can cause confusion when scaling. A good habit here is always double-checking the top left location switcher before doing any setup so you don't accidentally build assets in the wrong client account or funnel. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and open the marketing section. This is where GoHighLevel groups tools for campaigns, content, and tracking inside marketing, making it easier to manage everything related to outreach in one place. Find and open trigger links. Think of trigger links as GoHighLevel's built-in link shortener with tracking baked in. They turn a long destination URL, like a booking page or a special offer, into a concise link you can reuse in texts, emails, and automations while automatically recording clicks, which is especially useful for tracking ROI on specific campaigns, split testing messages, or even identifying which traffic source is converting best. Create a new one by selecting Add Link. Give your link a clear, descriptive name that makes sense to you and your team, such as consultation booking or summer promo landing page. This name is internal, so use wording that helps you quickly find and reuse it later, especially if you're managing multiple campaigns or clients. If you're running several offers at once, you might even include the campaign name or month in the title so you can easily track performance later. Next, move to the link URL field. Paste the full destination you want people to land on, or choose the page if it's one you've already built inside GoHighLevel. Double-check that the URL is complete, including the http:// part, and that it loads correctly in a separate browser tab. A quick check here prevents broken links going out in your text, which is one of the most common mistakes that can kill conversions in SMS marketing, because even a small error can stop a campaign from working entirely. When you're happy with the name and the destination, save your link. GoHighLevel will generate the shortened version and list it alongside any other trigger links you've made. From here, you can copy the short link and use it wherever you send messages. Because it's a trigger link, any clicks will be tracked, giving you valuable insights into engagement, user behavior, conversion paths, and campaign performance, which is key when you're trying to scale outreach or optimize ad-to-SMS funnels. A few quick tips to get the most from your SMS. Add a clear call to action right before the link, so recipients know what to expect. Keep your message concise to avoid splitting into multiple segments, and always send a test message to yourself first to confirm the link opens perfectly on mobile. You can also test on both Android and iPhone if possible, since rendering can sometimes differ slightly. This small step can prevent broken funnels and lost leads. With this approach, your texts stay tidy, on-brand, and measurable, so you can see exactly what's working and refine your outreach over time, allowing you to improve open rates, click-through rates, and ultimately, your overall conversion performance.